At 8:00 tonight, George Group's laboratory building was rocked by explosion. Rescue effort is still underway.
Sarah. Sarah. Emily. 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 Emily.
Eric, help me, it hurts.
Emily, wait a minute. Where's Sarah? Did you see her?
Eric, save me first.
Emily. Sarah is a little girl. She must have panicked at this time. I'll save her first, okay?
Ah.
Sarah.
Eric. Eric.
Eric, I'm here.
Sarah.
Eric.
Sarah.
Eric.
Are you hurt?
Eric, there's blood everywhere. I'm so scared. Please take me home.
Don't worry. I'll take you to the hospital.
Eric.
Eric, I'm in pain. Can you take me home?
Eric.
Okay.
Eric. I'm still here. Eric.
Men these days are heartless. His girlfriend almost died. It's been a month, but he didn't show up.